Hi there, students. A happy medium, an idiom. To strike a happy medium. To reach a happy medium. Okay, a happy medium is an acceptable position between two extremes. So work is very important, and also my private life is very important. So I need to strike a happy medium, to find a good position between two extreme things, an acceptable compromise. Okay, so if you strike a happy medium, you avoid being extreme and try to combine the best elements of two very opposite ways of doing things. Let's see, if I'm on holiday, I like to do things, but I also like to rest. So I need to find a happy medium between the two. Yeah, a happy medium. It's something that is acceptable or reasonably acceptable to everyone. So some people say that there should be absolutely no immigration into the country. But if there is no immigration, then I think many industries are going to have problems. So we need to strike a happy medium. Let in some immigrants, the ones perhaps that are useful to the country, that can help it. Okay, so a balanced position. Okay, I had to give an explanation, and I needed to strike a happy medium between a technical explanation and something anybody would understand. Okay, so it's a mid position. Maybe sometimes, though, a happy medium ends up pleasing nobody. But a happy medium, a position in the middle that doesn't go to either of the extremes. The idea is this is the most acceptable position between two extreme ideas or positions or situations. So, to strike a happy medium, how formal? I think I would probably give it 4.5 in formality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. You could strike a happy medium probably in a semi-formal document, but I don't think I would use it in something very formal. To find some common ground, maybe more formal, or a common position, a position that is not extreme, something like that. So yeah, there are all sorts of things in our lives where we have to strike a happy medium. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To strike a happy medium, to reach a happy medium.